Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to log in Argos Card online account. So firstly, you need to open the browser that you prefer. I am opening Google. Now at the search bar, you need to search myargoscard.co.uk. Now you will be led to this page. Now at the login ID section, all you need to write is your ID down. Now again, at the down section, there will be your surname. You need to fill the details of your surname. Now you need to click the button next. Then there will be that option where you need to type your password and you are all set to log in. Likewise, in case if you forgot your password or your login ID, you can simply click on the forgotten your login ID and they will help you recover your account back. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe Financial Hub. Thank you.